Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this and press bell icon for notification. Creating an online store can be a great way to sell products or services to a wide audience. However, setting up an online store can be a daunting task for beginners. In this guide, we will provide a step-by-step approach on how to create an online store. 1. Choose a platform. The first step in creating an online store is choosing a platform to build it on. 1. There are many different e-commerce platforms available, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. 1. Here are some popular options to consider. 1. Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms available, with a simple interface and a range of features. 1. It's suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. 2. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free WordPress plugin that allows you to turn your website into an e-commerce store. 2. It's a good option if you already have a WordPress website and want to add e-commerce functionality to it. 3. Magento. Magento is an open-source e-commerce platform that's ideal for large enterprises. 3. It's highly customizable and has a range of features, but it's more complex to set up than other platforms. 4. BigCommerce. BigCommerce is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that's ideal for businesses that want to scale quickly. 4. It's suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. 1. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is the web address that people will use to find your online store. 1. Ideally, it should be easy to remember and related to your business. 1. Here are some tips for choosing a domain name. 1. Keep it short and memorable. 2. Make it easy to spell. 3. Choose a domain name that reflects your business and the products or services you offer. 4. Use a domain name registrar to check that your desired domain name is available. 1. Choose a hosting provider. A hosting provider is a company that provides the server space for your online store. 1. It's important to choose a hosting provider that can handle the traffic to your website and provide reliable uptime. 1. Here are some popular options. 1. Bluehost. Bluehost is a popular hosting provider that's suitable for small to medium-sized businesses. 2. SiteGround. SiteGround is a hosting provider that's suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. 3. HostGator. HostGator is a hosting provider that's suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. 1. Design your online store. The design of your online store is important for creating a good first impression and providing a good user experience. 1. When designing your online store, consider the following. 1. Choose a theme that's consistent with your brand and easy to navigate. 2. Make sure your online store is mobile responsive. 3. Use high-quality product images. 4. Make sure your website is easy to navigate and has clear calls to action. 1. Set up payment options. Setting up payment options is a crucial step in creating an online store. 1. You need to make it easy for customers to pay for their purchases securely. 1. Here are some popular payment options. 1. PayPal. PayPal is a popular payment option that allows customers to pay using their PayPal account or credit card. 2. Stripe. Stripe is a payment option that allows businesses to accept credit card payments securely. 3. Square. Square is a payment option that allows businesses to accept credit card payments through their mobile device or tablet. 1. Set up shipping options. Shipping options are important for e-commerce stores, as they affect the customer experience and can impact your bottom line. 1. Here are some popular shipping options. 1. Free shipping. Offering free shipping can increase sales and improve customer satisfaction, but it can also increase your costs. 2. Flat rate shipping. Flat rate shipping charges a fixed fee for shipping, regardless of the order size. 3. Real-time carrier rates. Real